Effects of traumatic brain injury.
Traumatic brain injury is sudden damage to the brain due to a blow or drop to the head, causing disruption. It is an external force causing damage to the brain, resulting in death or physical or mental disabilities. 5.3 million US citizens are living with a disability as a result of a TBI. Operate based on a delicate chemistry. Neurotransmitters in the brain are necessary for communication between neurons in our central nervous system. Chemical signals are sent from neuron to neuron and groups of neurons work together to perform functions. TBI disturbs the delicate chemistry of the brain, causing the neurons to be unable to function normally. The brain is protected by fluid and manages protective membranes surrounding it. During TBI, the brain is pushed against the inside of the skull and swells. Due to the skull around it, the brain has nowhere to expand. This swelling increases pressure inside the head. High intracranial pressure prevents blood passage to tissues, which results in further brain injury. Therefore, decreasing and controlling intracranial pressure is a major focus of medical treatment early after a TBI.
The balance of ions and chemicals in the brain may be altered by TBI, impairing the nerve cell function. Severely injured nerve fibers can permanently lose their ability to send signals and communicate with other brain cells. Moreover, the damage makes it hard for the nerve cells to generate the necessary energy for recovery. Reduced blood flow to the site of injury hinders the delivery of oxygen and nutrients needed for recovery. The body maintains its internal environment through a process called homeostasis. This monitors and regulates basic bodily functions such as body temperature and blood pressure by relying on the activity of hormones. Hypothalamus and the pituitary gland are responsible for regulating hormones. Hypopituitarism is the reduction in hormone production due to the damage to the pituitary gland. Therefore, the body will experience hormonal imbalances, affecting the body's ability to regulate its internal environment. These are some of the effects of hormone imbalances.
Firstly, short-term memory. The damaged brain is not able to organize and remember new material. Secondly, selective attention deficit. Lastly, executive functioning. Patients have difficulty understanding information. Connections between neurons and blood vessels are disrupted, called neurovascular coupling, injuring areas of brain which control emotions, causing patients to experience mood changes.
Physical effects of TBI.
Some people's brains have responded to TBI in a spectacular way. They are suddenly gifted with creative talents that they have never shown before. This is called acquired savant syndrome. It gave Derek Amato the ability to play the piano for the first time at 40 years old without any prior training, after a severe head concussion. Scientists do not yet know why this happens. Some theorize that the brain is reabsorbing neurotransmitters partially destroyed during TBI, and this forced rewinding of the brain allows such skills to emerge. Others believe that our brains come with a wide array of factory-installed software, latent abilities that exist but some of us can't access, except when our head is injured at the exact location that triggers it. When scientists unravel this mystery, perhaps we can all unlock the geniuses within us without having to experience TBI.